What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. As you guys can see, LaFlame went ahead and dropped another merch set on us with some unique items, so of course we had to go ahead and review it. Now, before we get started, as always, guys, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food, just so you guys are up to date. You know what kind of inventory we have, what kind of drops may be next, etc., all that good stuff. It's a pretty good account to follow, what can I say? Now, as you guys can see here, Travis Scott, aka LaFlame, aka the guy with the Midas touch, man. Everything he touches is gold. Travis went ahead and blessed us with another merch set, but a different one this time. So as you guys can tell right here, Travis actually posted this on his Instagram with these 3 pictures right here, where he was telling you guys, hey, new stuff online. My fans need it. I'm going to bless you. As for the actual merch content itself, you could say it's kind of a coronavirus, COVID-19 related drop, featuring Cactus Jack hand sanitizer for $12, a Cactus Jack cloth face covering for $25, and a Cactus Jack safe touch device/instrument for $30. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of review my thoughts on them, and kind of talk about the direction LaFlame has been going in and kind of get your guys' opinion too. Personally, I went ahead and actually copped the $25 Cactus Jack cloth face covering. As you guys can see, I think it's pretty dope. It came out to about $30 with shipping. Not the worst in the world, I suppose. I mean, hey, hype beasts, we're going to wear what we have to wear to fit in. Stuff that's lit, so what did you guys cop, if anything? Hopefully, with this drop, I'm hoping that this stuff actually ships within a timely manner, just because it's been pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. With some of his merch drops, I've been waiting on stuff for months now. I know even in the videos that I review, his merch says that it takes about 8 to 9 weeks to actually ship out. However, I just think it's absurd waiting for so long. So I definitely want to get your guys' opinion. Are you guys actually going to be copying any of these pieces, or do you think that this is just a cash grab attempt by Travis Scott, kind of taking advantage of his fans? I've seen mixed reactions on Twitter and social media alike. Some people think that this is kind of messed up, that he would be taxing fans like this just because it's his branding. He knows kids are going to buy it. He knows it's going to sell out because it is Cactus Jack LaFlame related. So I wanted to really get your guys' opinion. Do you think that Travis is actually taking advantage of us fans? Or do you think that this is just another one of those things that, you know, he just has to do because it's relevant? So some of the key features on some of this merch right here, I thought it was really cool on the actual Cactus Jack hand sanitizer, that it says that the sanitizer kills 99% of germs while LaFlame burns the other 1%. That's pretty cool. As you guys notice, some of it does say that it is in stock. It says that orders process in about 1 to 3 business days and only available in the continental 48 United States. Due to the nature of this product, all sales are final. So don't expect to be able to get any kind of refunds on any of this stuff. I think that it's kind of cool that it shows that this stuff is in stock. I guess that answers my own question about how long it'll take to actually ship. It says that orders process in 1 to 3 business days, especially on this face covering. I think it's important to know, if you're going to be reselling, that because this stuff has been sitting for several hours, it may not be worth that much. As we've noticed, just historically, most Travis Scott related pieces and just anything related to him has some kind of resale value. Obviously, the more limited it is, the more it's going to be worth money. So again, guys, I just wanted to make this quick video just because this stuff does not stay up for long. They often will take it off the website. And I wanted to know, are you guys copying any pieces, and what are your plans for them? If you are copying pieces such as the Cactus Jack cloth face covering, are you planning on reselling it? What are you planning on reselling it for? And are you going to be wearing it yourself? Again, I copped a personal. I think that it's going to be just like a cool memento. It's kind of something just to remember this crazy time during the coronavirus era. 2020 has been nothing short of a crazy year. So again, I just wanted to have this kind of like for historical purposes. Plus I dig, the Cactus Jack branding. Of course, I'm a big fan of LaFlame, so again, I just want to know, what are you guys going to actually do with this stuff? Do you plan on wearing it, reselling it? Let me know in the comments. Let me know how you guys have been faring, this COVID stuff. And again, as always, guys, I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys have been successful, happy, and healthy. And thank you guys for cooking with us. Please stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay safe, guys. Peace, and thank you for cooking with the kitchen.